Hi, my name is Ian Castle, and welcome to the Aussie Vocal Coach Quick Vocal Tone Workout. I'm going to take you through 4 exercises that will help to improve the tone and clarity of your voice. If any of the exercises feel uncomfortable or out of your range, please stop and wait for the exercise to return to a comfortable pitch. Each exercise will include a quick explanation and a demonstration to get you started. Please be aware that the exercises will be demonstrated in my male range, but the piano will be playing the female key. Exercise 1. Forward placement of tone. Your goal here is to feel the buzz under your nose, release your jaw, and maintain a forward placement of tone. Listen to the demonstration. Exercise 2. Balancing your tone. First, we're going to start off with an NG slide at a comfortable pitch, like this. Now, the next exercise is going to sustain this sound into a vowel. Now, the goal is to feel resonance shift into nasal and head cavities by lifting the roof of your mouth and dropping your jaw. Listen to the demonstration. Exercise 3, clarity of tone. First, I want you to stick out your tongue so that your tip of your tongue is almost touching your chin. The next exercise is going to require you to keep your tongue in this stuck out position. And your goal is to maintain this position while moving pitch. This will stretch your tongue and remove tension. Listen to the demonstration. Exercise 4, sustaining your vocal tone. We're going to be using the sounds M, N, Y, and N, followed by a vowel. In this case, R, so it would become ma, nya, na. The goal of this exercise is a forward placement of tone using the M, a balanced placement of tone using the NY, and a forward tongue position using the N. Listen to the demonstration. Ma, nya, na. That concludes the Aussie Vocal Coach Quick Vocal Tone Workout. You can access the MP3 version of this workout by clicking on the link below. If you got some value out of this video, please hit that like button, leave me a comment below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Bye for now.